Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa and today I'll be doing this makeup look. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching. I'm using my trusty little clips to get my hair out of the way. To prime my face today, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Primer. It helps to minimize and blur pores. Now moving on to my eyebrows, I'm going in with the It's Cosmetics Brow Power Eyebrow Pencil. So how's your day going? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any suggestions, feel free to also mention them in the comments. For my lids, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to make it an even canvas so it will be easier for the eyeshadows to blend. For the eye look today, I'll be using the Afflano Professional Eyeshadow Palette. If you're interested in purchasing this palette, a link will be in the description below. I'm packing the purple shade onto the outer V and taking it into my crease line. I'm picking up a second shade of purple and putting that in the middle and blend the two colors together. Then I'm going in with a shimmer pink and putting that on my inner V and blending it into my crease line. For a seamless blend, I'm going in with the cream tone on my brow bone. Remember to use soft strokes, hold your brush all the way to the end. Next, to clean my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Marcella Cleaning Water on a Q-tip. Doing this step will create a clean canvas, which will make it easier to create the cut crease. To create the cut crease, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on a flat brush. I'm packing this burgundy color on my outer V. Before I finish the eye look, I'll move on to my face makeup. Today for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Liquid Concealer in the shade 70. I'm placing it on all the parts of my face that I want to add a little depth. You can definitely skip this step or conceal the way you want to. The technique I'm using today is the underpainting technique. With this technique, you do your makeup backwards. You conceal first, then you put on your foundation. Doing it this way will decrease the amount of foundation you have to use. Blending doesn't have to be perfect because it still has to peek through the foundation that will be applied. I know it looks a little scary, but trust the process. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay Liquid Concealer in the shade 5 on all the high points of my face. Then I'm going in with a makeup sponge to blend it out. For foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage in the shade Nude on a kabuki brush. Using the underpainting technique, I just have to tap the foundation on parts that I need the foundation to be placed and gently tap it on the areas that I have placed the concealers earlier. It may seem like if I'm going in a little too hard, but it's because I have speed up this part of the video. For lips, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Violin Ink Longwear in the shade Cranberry Red. To set my foundation today, I'm going in with the Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder on a powder sponge. To curl my lashes today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Eyelash Curler. I'm picking up the purple shade and placing it on my lower eyelids. I'm repeating the step on the other side. Then I'm picking up the second purple shade and placing that in the middle of my eyelids. Repeating it on the other side. Then I'm picking up the cream shade and placing it on the outer corner. To line my waterline, I'm using the Maybelline New York TattooStudio Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. For mascara, I'm going to be testing out the new L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Washable Mascara. I tried it and I did not like the way how it clumped my eyelashes together. Maybe other people have a different effect. It did not give the false lash effect that I was hoping for. If you made it this far in the video, thank you. Please consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button so you'll be notified on future uploads. And that way we can build a community here on YouTube. This look cannot be completed without some glitter. After all, it's for Valentine's Day. So I'm adding in some silver liquid glitter. These tools make it much easier to apply my falsies. For blush, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the middle shade. I'm using Laura Mercier highlighter. It came in my BoxyCharm box. If you'd like to try BoxyCharm, there's a link in my description below. This is not sponsored. And there you have it, my friends. The end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for sticking so far with me. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, I'll add another two right over there. And that's all for now, and remember, you're beautiful from head to toe. Bye!